The importance of good quality of sleep cannot be overestimated. Having 7-8 hours of sleep every day is essential. Insufficient sleep can have a negative impact on a person's physical and mental well-being. A great way to achieve good quality sleep is by practicing yoga. Sleeping more won't matter if you don't sleep well. Yoga can not only help us sleep better but also reduce stress. Your mental, physical and emotional health will be improved. I am here to help you if you are sleeping for longer hours but still feeling tired or exhausted when you wake up. Today, I will be showing you 3 yoga asanas that can help you with better quality of sleep. Our first asana for today is Balasana or child's pose. Yoga poses like Balasana can help you reduce anxiety and stress. Performing this asana improves blood circulation and enhances the quality of your breathing. It soothes the body and mind, resulting in better sleep. If you have diarrhea, high blood pressure or you're pregnant, you should avoid this posture or take a modification as recommended by your yoga instructor. This pose is not recommended for people that have knee injuries or who have undergone a recent surgery. Let's begin with the pose right away. Sit on your mat comfortably with your knees folded and your legs touching the hips. As you inhale, you're just going to begin to crawl on the mat, reaching your fingertips as far as you can, finding that length in the spine. You can rest your elbows on the ground if you're able to. If not, then it's completely fine. Focus your attention now on the breathing and stay in this position for up to 30 seconds or even longer. Repeat this asana once again. Our next pose for today is Supta Konasana or Recline Bound Angle Pose. Asanas like this one are very effective. It relieves muscle tension and calms the mind. Stress levels can be reduced and sleep can be improved by performing this pose. Avoid this pose if you have a groin or knee injury. Do not attempt this asana if you have undergone a recent hip surgery as well. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is lie down on the mat and bend your knees. Now place your feet on the floor in a way that they are close to your tailbone. Bring the soles of the feet together and the knees apart, allowing your entire body to relax. Your feet can be moved away from your tailbone if you have tight hips. Relax your arms on the floor a little bit away from the body with the palms facing up towards the ceiling. Do not create additional tension. You should feel a gentle stretch in your hips and the groin. For 20 to 30 seconds, you may hold this posture and repeat it once again. Our last technique to promote better sleep is my favorite, Bhramari Pranayama or the humming bee breath. This pranayama technique calms the nervous system and soothes the breathing, which results in improved sleep. If you're pregnant, this pranayama is excellent for you to just cope better with the changes in the body. If you have epilepsy or high blood pressure, I recommend that you do not try this pranayama. Let's begin with Bhramari Pranayama. What you're going to do is come into a very comfortable seat with your sit bones on the mat, shoulders roll back and spine erect. We're going to take index fingers and place them very gently against the cartilage of your ears. Applying very gentle pressure while you're here, we're going to take a deep breath in, and as you're going to exhale, make the sound of You can repeat Bhramari Pranayama for up to 5 times and increase it if you feel good. These are some easy techniques that can definitely help you improve the quality of your sleep. Keep following for more yoga related updates and also learn how yoga can help you lead a healthy and balanced life. Namaste, and I'll see you next time.